Festuca rubra, Patrick's Point Fescue. Really beautiful, low-growing ornamental grass, evergreen. 2 feet tall by 2 feet wide. Purple-ish flowers in the spring. Filtered sun to filtered shade, part shade. It does tend to mound up, but it is very beautiful. It's considered a bunch grass. Gray-green leaves that would look nice next to something red maybe. Now, this plant, if you live in an area that has a shitload of rabbits, may not be the greatest choice, but however, if you don't have rabbit issues, then I would highly recommend experimenting with this.